Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Comrade Newton, they talk about the protest wey happen yesterday for Edo State, where Uronigbe farmers protest go Edo State Government House and Oba Palace. Make I leave you now, make you hear from Comrade Newton.
For those of us that know me very well, I'm a very proud son of Uronigbe. I don't deny that, because that is our ancestral home, whether we like it or not. And at the time things like this come up, we have to try as much as we can to make sure we swing into action by intervening positively in the best way we can. As you all know, I'm not a politician, I'm an activist. So by now every one of us is supposed to know what activist does. So there was a protest that was held yesterday in Uronigbe that Orion Forest Reserve that pertain to most of those village and town. I think some villages are part of it. The Uronigbe zone have been sold, according to what they say, allegedly by the state governor. And to my own point of view, I don't really believe in politicizing anything. I will not say because I have you offend me, then when I'm doing anything, I want to always draw you in to further buttress my point. I don't do that. Everybody all know the government of Obaseki, what he stands for right from the womb. Even at the initial stage, when he tried privatizing Uronigbe Rubber Estate, the political opponents, they came out and they were shouting that Obaseki has sold Uronigbe, whatever. But today, I guess some of the benefits that anybody from Uronigbe have gotten from Obaseki administration, apart from the greedy politicians who always go to Sadebe Avenue and collect money, they are not representing their community. Rather, they are representing themselves and their family. Only what the rest of the people have benefited is that Uronigbe Rubber Estate. That allegedly, to what I was told, that is going to be employing 5,000 workers later when the rubber is being set to be tapping. So that's that. So I'm not a man who uses a sentiment to do anything. I don't do that. I don't do it. So I have to calmly come here, not be moved by the pressure from our brothers and sisters, the lack minds we have in Uronigbe, who their founding father really suffered to make sure that community is what it is today by the grace of God. Now we'll be having a lot of representatives from Uronigbe. What are they be doing? They are not doing anything. They campaign to represent their stomach. That's why today all the politicians we have in Orion, they failed woefully. They are nothing to write home about. When something is not benefiting them, then shout out. And I want to be asking a question before we begin to talk more on this very issue, whether the government said the land or the land. To what the information I've gathered so far, that very land was sold by some greedy land grabbers who have been selling your head right from day one. So coming out without verification, without proper verification, I don't really want to do anything down. Later in the day I start regretting. You have to do your proper verification. Is it really the governor that has sold out this land, or it is your wicked leaders who have sold it out? Now when there is too much erosion in Benin, everybody will rise up Obaseki. But you pay 30 billion from your taxpayers' money to somebody. So we cannot fight for a better society like this if we begin to use hate. You cannot say because you have lost the election in last September, you mobilize people to go and be protesting against the city governor, particularly when the thing is not really profiting you. Now, to what I've gathered so far, this very result they use in farming. most of all these people, what they do is that they lease this land out to the Ika people to farm. And the money you have been getting from this same thing, who have you been accountable to? They go to Sarebe Avenue after campaign, please give us license so that we have the privilege to sell out, to lease some of all this land out, even sell some inside. They use it for themselves to clothe their children and send their children overseas and train their children in the university. While there are other people today dying of hunger and starvation in this same community. And right now you people are crying out. When these things were good, did you people cry out? No, you did not cry out. So a company, a society will not develop like this. If we continue, when we have problem, we want to carry everybody along, but when it is good, you eat it all alone. Look at the protest of Semige Ero, ex-commissioner of whether not for culture or been for arts for Edo State. He came out and made protest because right now he was sent to jail. Do you think white man will just send you to jail without not even investigation? Or you are not aiding and abetting anything? But they came out, they did protest. But the one me myself, I was a part of 2017. Please don't deport our people. Oh, why man? But did anybody appreciate it? Nobody appreciate it. Now that day I know say God will punish so many people. We are very wicked to ourselves. There are some people that will cry out over some certain thing, will support it. But when other person cry out, not that the person is the same, is having the same problem, or just trying to help other people, we don't support it. But you got cry right now, 300 enemy. But let's go and verify those people. Is there no courts inside? Oyibo will not be so wicked, not be Oko prison. They'll just carry you put for them. But what we are feeling, what we are always feeling is that why must they do this? They must do it. There must be something related to that crime which you have committed. I know there must be innocent. Maybe they told you you are following criminal. You know they go thief, but now you they hold gun for them. My late father, blessed memory, said the person is aiding and abetting criminal. But you don't steal, you are not a native doctor. Why is it that all the time we always see cowries and orui, women in your hand? You are not a native doctor, you are holy, you are a Christian. So those are some of the problems. Why did I quickly trip that one in? I want to be giving us a lecture this very afternoon. The reason why, if we are standing to develop our society, let's stand to develop it. Like for me right now, I have nothing to lose when it comes to anything that has to do with Uronigbe. But if you talk about some of the youth who have persistently keep on talking about what affects us most, in within 1 to 10, I'm being within. Because I know a structure, my father, a monument he raised down in Uronigbe. Before somebody build an upstairs, a block upstairs, very strong up to now, you see it's still standing. That to say, let me build this building to bring development to my community. But the rest of the people, they come into politics. All they do is to go and present themselves. We have people in Abuja, we have people in Benin. They represent themselves up to now, nothing is working in Uronigbe. Igweben already, Igweben, local government Igweben. Igweben is like divided into 4 of Uronigbe. One part is Igweben. But who is to go there and speak that we need this thing? Nobody, everybody speaks for itself. I saw the protest yesterday. God bless you all. Now, there is all that thing behind it. Is that place really used for farming? That Uronigbe indigene? Or now where una dey rent out? Right now, either the government or some person might have sold the land. Go and do your proper investigation. Obaseki cannot sell land for anybody to what I've gathered so far. Mona go ask una people who sell land. Not Obaseki. And if at all, whether they sell land or they lease them out, confirm it first. Is it leasing? And what benefit did this thing is going to give to the community? Or what benefit will this very land we are talking about, this forest reserve, give to the community? Then if you are able to evaluate it, government doing this thing is going to help a lot of our youth. It will make some of our youth to stay at home. It will desist them away from courtesy. You know, they make them the patrol land again. It will commit them into something. Then we don't need to shout. If it is for personal use or for personal selfish reasons, because they need money, that was why they sold it, is unacceptable. But if it is for developmental trial, anything that would bring development is what we must have to support. Because one thing I don't always want to support. I don't always want to politicize anything I'm doing it. Like I don't politicize. I'm not a politician. I know a lot of you where don't worry Regboto, where it come. Yes, it was God that revealed Obaseki to me. Even Jesus Christ said, when I say yes, the man they fail. Judas Iscariot, now Jesus Christ by himself choose him. He not fail him. So it can happen. Things can change. Maybe a president of Yerebe Mieno. The only problem me and Obaseki get, I always say it, now this is just a matter, my only problem of it. I know that if you want to start awarding contract, you can always award it. But for us to start politicizing everything, because he win you a year ago now, then you start misbehaving still. I saw this kind of protest before. It happened in Uronigbe. Over the rubber estate. Even when this thing was for the benefit of the youth. We have a lot of our brothers today right now that is working in that rubber estate. But people also came and criticized it. Now, what was your proposal of that place? What were you having in mind to put in that place? Certainly nothing. Maybe you guys would have turned it to a den of thieves. So before we come out to make any protest or come out to come accuse anybody, let us gather fact. We know that the government of Nigeria has failed. But let's not lie upon anybody. Let's do verification. If now Obaseki really said this thing, during that very last year, a lot of things happened that the Fulani, they were now having some, I think, some hectares of land in Uronigbe that they take it as a grazing field or whatever. Then the news came out that Fulani is in that place. So then with one of my we started doing investigation. We investigated that some persons sold that land for Fulani. These people did not just came on their own. It was verified that some person from Uronigbe indigene sold that very land. Then I make a clarion call just the way I'm broadcasting right now, that the elders in the village, they should please call for a meeting. Let them see what they do about this bullshit. So they gather. At the end of the day, it was verified that some person, 1 or 2, 3 persons, sold that land out to Fulani. So most of the things that we are seeing that is happening in our community today, it is insider that is doing it. So go and verify what happened to the forest reserve. Some greedy politician must get hand inside. Or all these land grabbers from Benin, they will get hand inside. So I guess the government want to do anything. I don't think it's going to hide it. The somebody will be there. The state governor. All these after making protests, you start maybe kind of having a lot of regret. But no, you don't guess. Before you come out and protest against anything, protest is the final analysis over any issue. You can make a live broker right now. You begin to use allegedly. 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 Any word allegedly that is to say, you cannot hold the person responsible. Any word allegedly. When Nnamdi Kanu was arrested, some bloggers came out and said, wait, now woman want to go see for Bradley. They said it not even alleging. They said it, I was called. Look at what these people are saying. I said, now they get the amount. They were not jailed for it. You know? So that's that. Let's always gather information before we come out. We've already know right from time that the Mazo enemy is a member of his household. Even Jesus Christ, the most powerful man that have ever lived on earth, the most powerful man, even powerful than Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob, is Jesus. Due to the mission his father sent him. He was having criticism. And he also said it that in the book of Matthew 10 verse 36. He said a Mazo enemy is a member of his household. So Uronigbe today is not developing. It is the political wizard that is doing it. Nobody. Somebody from Asian land, from Igweben. Igweben have their local government because their people, they fought for it. The politicians, we all of them are crazy. Look at all the youth. They want to do local government chairman for their belly. They don't have anything on their head. They don't have anything on their head. And we are supposed to be having a government. They will be seeing the sign that you are working. But all they want to do, even they don't even have the reasoning faculty to even reason anything. What can I do rather than to build one trade market? Boy. This is what only one person can do. If somebody can build a hotel, what is the market cannot build for the 18 local government? That's what they always come and do. Then they pay for the workers that they are working with them. What is happening in Ronigbe today? Certainly nothing. And the land you people are protesting for today, who have been leasing out these lands ever since all these years, who have been leasing it out. My own father, you now. Me, I'm from Ronigbe. But now Ronigbe many pass for town. Go and look at where you are from. No development. Government does not even have any plan right now that I have for Ronigbe, apart from that water, whatever. Instead of them to go to governor and say, our road like this must be tied. They will say, give us, settle us, when we can pay for you that year. That has been the problem. Now, for the people who went for that protest, God bless you. But there are more to it. What is happening? What are people? Please, if you are led, you can put more love and light so that let's see this video can be able to push a little bit. Our page is still very water time. I don't know what's wrong with these people. They don't do all wrong, but and this is the only page that gives you the right information. Everything that's happening in the globe. This is the only page that anything you hear here, go and verify it. It's something that will save your life and save your generation. But I don't know why people become so jealous. You keep on reporting a page. For what now? We are not dragging anything. I'm not a blogger. I'm an activist. Whatever thing God lays in my heart, I put it there for people to learn. So that's you guys' plan. I don't know what people are benefiting. I'm not competing with anybody. If you like, have 1 million viewers. Or maybe I'm a bugger say. If I dance naked here right now, we'll have more viewers. Right now I'm dressing gentle, nobody want to come and view. Don't think you have a 12,000 by your side watching that your word is more relevant. It's not more relevant. So one more here. So funny me, stupid set of people. So every one of us must try as much as we can to make sure how we can be able to bring a developmental drive to our locality. And all these people that is always there selling lands. I don't know what you want to gain inside. And for you, a youth, you are supporting the same people to sell out your ancestral land. Their children will not suffer again. Imagine you are in abroad right now. Their children do not do shoroti. Their children do not do shoroti. The best car now, their children, they drive. Yet you turn yourself to be a slave. Like I was saying the other day, most of you that call yourself a slave, now look at who you are even a slave to. A criminal element were a slave now. You guys should be ashamed of yourself today. You should be ashamed of yourself that you are claiming one thing because of sentiment. Okay, your father signed something that now why not so come and break the yoke? Maybe it's because your father was not later. They are saying, look at second the command I said the day for yesterday night. He's a thief. If you will trace her now, they may be the one over here. They may also be the one on here. Verify this thing before you start accusing Obaseki. We know who is our problem, but who is going to say it is a problem. Do you think, okay, just look at the Europe you are today. But in Edo State today, people that have their private whatever, they can decide to say, this thing, I will not even go there. I'm not going to take it. Why? Because they are in their home. They are in their home. But you yourself, you can't say because you are in the foreign land. That's why most of you that this thing be not there man before, they begin to put certain conditions or certain things. You have no option than for you to start fooling yourself. We know who is our problem, but who is to say it is it not be the headache right now. We know the people who just if they die today, Benin will be good. We know them. Let's be frank and say to ourselves, let's stop deceiving ourselves. Okay, now just take a look at, is this how you are going to struggle the rest of your life? 20 years abroad, 30 years. Only what you have been able to complete. Now upset. That you not able to take, go see my past at 1960 something, Maria Webo. One of the best upset in Uronigbe then. Uronigbe as a whole. Everybody on the go and look at it. Or Maria Webo. For you to build that kind of one, now you have to spend 30 years in Fabrica here abroad. You know what I'm saying. You yourself, you know how you get your money to build that your house in your Janjaweed country. Because the system was good. But right now, everything is going down every day by day. Let's even talk about the kind of hustling we do here to get money. If they say make them put down for flash train, shame go let you come out the next day. Here you are fighting somebody that is fighting for a better society for you. Bini Abrakaro today is it good? You don't now here we tell the yes Orion have oil now. Who is that bastard sitting on the top of this oil? Who is that Nikompu sitting down on top of this oil? Do you think their children is more brilliant than you? Their children are not more brilliant than you. But you choose to be mumu. Let me not just take it to some of our fathers. We don't say those ones fuck up. But what we know now, why not let's bring it together and develop our place? We have Uronigbe people busy for America. They're there everywhere. People with many parts for this and have Uronigbe. You need to see them. Uronigbe ain't boom. But go and look at where we are from. To draw one rope is a problem. You see Uronigbe in New York. What one development have they brought? Nothing. Why you see Chacha today? Huh? We are joining these same people. Benin before not be village. You developing Benin, but you are not developing your place. How many of you today can boast that you have a mansion in Uronigbe? You are going to Amagba, going to Ikoshodi. All those places are village. Those were Ogida before was a village. People can't build that, builders can't develop. That was some of the steps our fathers took those days. They want to build a mansion. Then it was a mansion. Up till now, I still have respect for that building. Because I did on my easy. As I did at the time, I somebody me way back. They can say they couldn't even do it. You know? At the time, a better house enter a community. If you watch how a community develop today in Edo State, now houses still they develop. That guy will build, but that mansion, I need to go balance for that area, supermarket and all those things. I don't know why we keep on fooling ourselves. But now I guess we are supposed to know who is our problem. And more they give them the insult, but we won't now. People are so no, that is, I love the way God has vindicated every word I have said. I don't just come and talk. Where are those animals today who were running their mouths? Look at your master now, he's a criminal. Somebody you are a slave to, somebody you are a slave under, is even a criminal. We're not there with that criminality. How can you be worshiping a criminal? Before you say somebody is a leader, is your leader, he must have attributes of a leader. He must have something very, very relevant that we are looking onto. But we doesn't bloody care. Anything can serve, not be our own. Anything can serve. Then at the time you are not accepting that your slavery mentality, they will give you one name. All these idiotas, los gilipollas, cabrones, they will give you one name. But look at it today. When I was saying, and then all of you were laughing. You not here, but no. Look at somebody, Rolando Ehunda, that will lay curses on you, that will make you accept that you are a slave. He is a criminal element. Are you not ashamed of yourself now? How about it they do now? Wait. They curse you for nothing. You drink that dirty water for nothing. How will one bastard be giving you dirty water? Look at the chairman of the squad now. You are even better than him in character. Look at somebody giving you water to drink. You why the real hooligan? You why they no do saloboa? But why did you accept it? Because you are foolish. Why did you accept it? Look at somebody that were using you to drink water. It's not even clean. You are more cleaner. Foolishness to the highest order. At times you can't just keep quiet without talking to these people. But they want to start using you against the state governor now. They want to start using you now against the state governor. You are doing protest against the state governor. But the people you have to do protest and mention their name, you can't. Because all governor party good one. Give me good one. Every of our evil leader every of our evil leader. Everywhere now we are evil leader talk bell. Every man now we are not bell. We don't need them. But you will accept it now. After all, a slavery layer. They begin to give themselves name. At the time you want to correct them, they are very furious about it. They will never take correction. This thing you are saying to yourself is bad though. Our body they do you now. The president that is using you to the chairman of the or the bad water, giving you bad water to contaminating your life. It's a criminal element. Our body they do you now. The word, even the small boy people they go there and say, yeah, yes, I'm your slave. Benevolently. But put curse upon the innocent children. They ever born abroad. Your innocent child you born abroad, the stupidity of some of your fathers make your father to accept this slavery, and he have come to you. You are putting it upon your children because of fear. Somebody that can only lay curse, the curse not even the key. How many has the key? Tell me how will the such a curse work? When somebody lay curse on you, it's more bad, it's more wicked, it's more ruthless. It's a comment. How will it work? It is when your heart is clean. You can lay curse on people. I'm not a thief. I'm not a politician. The man where I get now, me don't go forward. Nobody pay me. I'm not that old to come and curse anybody. Don't you see confession in social media that they are using them to swear oaths to start fighting people like us? Somebody sold me to that guy that died the other time now. Say me come insult me. He so okay, man, I insult in America, no insult on one. The people will just set you out. They go into oath. If you say you are not going to fight Comrade Newton, they go into oath. A lot of them we are afraid that's why they couldn't talk and go to your early grave. You can't send me a message. Message that is being justified by God. If it is not scriptural, you don't see me there. I'm not a man pleaser. I'm not a man pleaser. You see confession everywhere. These stupid idiots in America even sold me out to some of it. There was confession there. I look at them and laugh. Sorry, how many people have that to? Even when they want to unleash on these idiots, no respect, man. No way here doing people. The last day they want to start unleashing on. I print a picture of your I was even the one that begged, please. I don't know the extended thing go to go say what you do a lot. That's what I do. Why selling out people? Why? Then you will stupidly send somebody after me. Then later the person will confess. Later you start calling me on phone. Are you a bastard? How many people do you see that left Egypt that later went back and trade? I don't know why some of them know they know now meat. It is very, very dehydrating. The Bible says by their fruit you shall know them. You should be able to know the caliber of people when you deal with them. It is gone, it is gone. To God be his. You don't do that. You cannot send some constituents. Later they confess that you are the one that sent them to come and insult me. Then you are calling me on phone. Are you insane? And then Ali, the Jackson should also be working and replace the now. I wonder why people feel everybody just being dualistic, you know. We are men with potentials. But we are responsible. Ologbo and her money. Now our matabi. Anything that make me scold you on me is gone, is gone. That's just all. No matter how you try to paint, them women who wear to let it video. There are things you don't do. How will somebody be fighting for freedom for you? The same person, where do you mobilize him and insult? How is that possible? Somebody that is fighting for freedom for you, the same person, you send people for them to go and insult such a person. Only Magbana. Then tomorrow you they come gradually. A piece of boy. a peace in Magwalo, a peace between Arab nations, a peace between Christians and Fulani, a peace who have idiot talk. Mabu went out the bob weekend. I see some people right now. Let me make a dog go forward. A social media will make a dog go forward. 1, 2 idiots is fighting. How does that affect the development of the dog? What we want is that our political bad leaders and our traditional bad rulers, they should change from their evil ways. They should change from selling ancestral land. They should change robbing us to feed their children. And you don't know they are robbing you. By the grace of God, we are going to be having 2 sessions today. I have another session today again. Probably in the evening. I pray that may time permits. We have another session from a different location. So we are not just tired of teaching our people. I know there are people that need this kind of message. They need it. It will bring development to their life. They need it. So we cannot, because of one idiot, go and look at them. That idiot here in Spain is a female. He went and gossiped me to somebody. After that one insulted me. You don't do it. Because you insult person. No. Teach your teaching. Why you teach on where if I come across your video, maybe to a boom, but how will you be attacking a man who have not attacked you? Now you people know that the person or you one man is a criminal element and is an idiot. What are you supposed to do now? Are you not going to sue them now for using to drink that water? I know you can't sue them now because you are a slave. A slave cannot sue. Now you finally fool yourself. When I was saying that this thing is bad, it's a criminal, it is against the law. Now if they can give you water in your ancestral land, why can't they give you even pour the vaccine on your mouth? The kind just way they give now you just only stab because you are worthless. They talk give me why done any work we boring. One young woman no man it just only stab I want with many gum with me. I stab you and want to where you are because you are useless now. You don't know your right. When you try to talk to them, look at what you must have to do to stay this life. They will never take it. All they know that their cake idea is what they believe in. Is what they believe in. They don't want to change. Somebody that was spearheading, drinking, using you to drink water. The highest criminal, the land grabber in the whole world. Who they looted the dope. How can somebody OG or drag me give me right? Am I a pioneer? You cannot be a gossiper. You cannot be a stealer. Is it possible? Read the book of John chapter 8. Read it from verse 3. That very woman that was caught in the very act of adultery. They raised up to they want to stone the woman to death. They put in work with woman and Jesus Christ will write it down. He wrote and. They say, they ask him, Master, what said thou? This very woman was caught in the very act of adultery. Jesus Christ will write it down. He wrote and. And according to them, there is a law that condemns this very woman. Or according to the law of Moses. Read John chapter 8. Read it from verse 3 to 5. He said, according to the law of Moses, this woman should be stoned to death. After Jesus Christ wrote down for a while, I get it was Holy Spirit, the same Holy Spirit that ministered to me. Because God is the same yesterday, today, and forever. He said, ask them this question. Any of you that have not sinned, be the first to cast up this stone. They look at themselves. They know that they themselves, they are sinned by one way or the other. They drop up the stone. But how will somebody who is a criminal, or you were one man? And right now, you are not even preparing to go and sue these same people for damaging your life. Some of them lost their wife. You think it is normal? How will a sensible woman marry you that be polluted? Is it petus? A woman will marry you that be spiritually polluted. Your life is gone. But you don't say anything about it too. He asked them, cast up the stone. All of them, they truly walk away like the David. I'm walking away. No one could cast up the stone. No one could cast up the stone upon the woman. They left. He asked the woman, where your accuser? He said, they are gone. Because most of these were jealousy. He so toasted the woman I wait no boy. Now you didn't even commit offense. Baba wa mo naria or four agbo generation back. Today humiliation is there. None of your child can ever occupy any public position, political position. Anagboyo, but all na niawo. Amayo na won niawo. Amayo na won. If I bono fear kun le lo wa, bo wa ya to. I don't know. I cannot just do without talking to all these animal at times. Who feel they know it all? Oma agwan no aya de hu aya muwe. Go back home and digest what the person is saying. You want to always defend this defenseless. I did defend on her. It is too chronical. Thank God they go for him nana yari. Now every kingdom, evil kingdom, yeah, wipe out. Oma mark to this date, every man day for. It away public disgrace all day. And more is still going to come. More public disgrace is coming. Osalobo ata ni rio hianji. How can? No, they criminal no a criminal buwa. No, that they believe. You see small boys. When over Germany no Raduro house, a government of Baogu. This one is not your father's house. And my cake there, but yes, we know. Why are you suffering here? No, a boy supposed to be an activist. Now you better go and pray for a man who is here born and why here. A disgrace. When why are you again? Oh, Salobo or Mubin no ya punish you because you people give these people a wrong name. That's why I have turned all of you to become enemy to God. Enemy to God also. I asked you the question the other day. None of you can answer me all these animals. None of you can answer me wherever you are because I know the animals I'm talking about. They know themselves. They couldn't answer me. Hey man, now okay. Should also be because you can sue with different form. If I go allow it, it's still no. Look at the public disgrace. God, I thank you for making me to be a prophet, not a prophet of doom, but a prophet. Tell me in 2 or 3 weeks time begin to see the manifestation. I told you people they're going to be a public disgrace, and more is still going to come. How dare you? Someone must correct all this mess in Osuno. Someone must speak about it. And I've made myself available to speak about this shenanigans in our society. You know how my brother. Oh, Pagu say, Ugu Wamboyana, I know can't be a what bed you are one. It has from Spemi, I can video with me, they come down. When no Lilimede do. When no Lilimede, all these small children. Men also have no problem where they will. You'll see me for the moment to drop a letter. Come and defend this your shenanigans. Defending a leader who is a killer. We gathered your evidence already. We are talking about afternoon crocro. Think everybody who can humiliate. Every animator did not come to pass it. He won't pass again can lie, don't allow because he's fasting better than all these pedophile and animal man. I want done my bed. Who worship their oppressor. Must everybody be like you? Your father was a villager. My father was not a villager. So your father swore an oath where here get a generation you here. So don't extend it this way. Look at somebody now why you were young woman or walk me walk boy. Look at it today. Be ashamed of yourself. Your children today, they cannot contest in any political position. The same people who were all humiliated you. Your children's destiny is gone. You're not to offer and you're going to confirm it. It's the highest public humiliation you can give to anybody. What do you mean? Even why tradite una de can what do you tradite me video? Because only why we plan what do you tradite me video? No why Ikata, we are going to give our children will go and learn chemical engineering because of you people. If they will learn it, what I mean, you guys know how to repair it. So you guys should think about yourself. These same people, they are thickly rich already. Their children will not suffer again. Then you want to remain a slave forever. But where you are here, a governor will not ban bonus here. A governor ever now, yeah, me your cat, Senior Newton bonus there. There was a day the Okada of this very place. I was opportune to see with him so many years ago. It was Okada of the Okada Torrega is 60. Very humble. But our own one idiot we make himself a demigod. But he cannot save you when you have problem. Cannot save you. Later you face racism abroad because to your mind you are already a slave. Stupid set of people. So waiting on the favor beneath the Poyan protest again. That's why no person from APC today will complain about Waterstone project during the time of Oshomole. They put everything on. I don't sad anybody. But Orime, Ona do bois Orime, et qu'on a receive it. I saw a video somebody did. Erosion day everywhere now. Erosion warrior now. Because this is the way the temper is so. I make a man feel body. There's heavy rain right now everywhere. It's South Sudan the last week, man. I'm 1 week. Hundreds of houses are made. As I talk to you right now, there is the eruption of Repama de Mallorca here in Spain. They have destroyed more than 100 houses. All were melting here. About 5,000 people have been displaced. 5,000 people have been displaced in Palma de Mallorca. For those of us that live in Spain. So there is what called natural disaster. It's really getting. So why I complain? Why enjoy? Emi Aroto. How many of you said Band Okagele? None of you said it. Okay, who is installing all this Okagele everywhere? All our land was in area for them. Why are we not developing? I'll be fully. Me, I don't do my deal. Why would the problem bring yourself out to have a clean where you live? Why can't you be there? Who just marry you? You be there because my woman personal problem. We are going to go to court. A video ni me ya nu we are way ni metane money. The people are saying what started than that. Oh my God, go and look at all of them. What about this stupid Indian yes again Konoro? No, you are seeing away. Activists who want people protest against oh yeah where. In I come on in one Indian yes again Konoro also. How will such a thing go forward? Me why we like no soon? Obaseki don't develop that say a video because you can't do anything. But stop giving my people injection. That's the only problem I have with you. The only problem I have with Obaseki today, injection with any money. Or the rest, you are very good. You are good to go. A slave does not want to tie road for Yamani Dupana. Until they denounce this atrocity. See again. How can the slave be using Latin in his house? It's impossible. So that next time you begin to mind what comes out of your mouth. There are things right now you can't say it. Give that person a college. If you have anything to put in play, one useless boys here in Spain when they call me. And they cannot call him in Spain. He's a part of the government in our who you born him. And I know that he ran away from the phone. And my brother, when I was good, my brother, shut up your mouth there. What are you saying? How many times have you ever been with your president? We know. We say what we don't know. Now you now know that the person that used to drink water, you are more better than the person. Animals. A prophet are going. We are. God is not going to fall from heaven to come and talk to you. He used people like us, no, a good mind, who have a mind of liberation, who have that passion, to rescue. But one more, I want you to live. I don't want you to die. How will I be putting my life in risk where you don't do insulting? May they use you for that human sacrifice. What have we not talked about? Everything we have talked about on social media, you may look at some people is what they see, is what they perceive they're saying. So you that will always come and you searching me, trying to prove that you get respect. I think today now you should be ashamed of yourself. She. Allow one criminal element to use you and drink all the next. Okay, well, what was your offense? Who am I? Who not working? Nana, you know, my more. Usuwa wagogoyo. Who not working? Somebody now that sold village, they even installed somebody that this Indian years again, is it from Ologo? They make it a Kagelo of Ologo. Something that's supposed to be for the benefit of everybody in the state. Honor working 1 or 2 persons, and you are rich. What our people, a mobile na 18 years time, they must still plan to leave home. They will still plan to leave home. All our boys become a cottage. All the guests become a runs guests because nothing the state is giving out to them. Nothing the state is giving out to them. Who tell you Edo State have no money? Who tell you we doesn't have natural resources? But 1 or 2 persons sat down the position. Not even money. What happens to you? They don't care about you. All they care about is their own self and their immediate family. Then what are the rest of us? So we are not a head domesena. A blue blood may bleed. Or do you begin to think right? What makes you leave home was no enjoyment. Suffer make you leave home. Suffer make people like us to leave home. It was not rosy. Before somebody used it to mock me that I clear 100 by 100 naira. I did not even know. It after the person had mocked me and I leave go and take her 100 by 100 again work by 100 naira. It was not easy. But there are people today, they are in a state of dilemma. But do you think you being here abroad, you have made it? No, this is the beginning of your suffering. Do you know you cannot train your child here abroad in the university with your own money? Did you know that? Okay, my girl is one thing you go do. After all, now you went one way. Do you know you cannot train your child here abroad with your own salary? To what they give to you, who do go wine, do go school, who do cook more waiting, who do more. You have to go for loan. Did your father carry loan to train you? Did your father carry loan? Do you know what's called minimum wage? Minimum wage here is paying means that it's a punishment. When I don't really I say no. When I want to face it, you can face it. That's minimum wage. Of a Nigerian video. Imagine a graduate, a BSc that 30,000 mean 50 euro in a month. You saw me the other day when one of my Senegal friends, you know that I'm technologically savvy, I have this idea of something. Anytime he call me, anytime he want to do loading, Newton, one more carry container door, I'm in Paris. Then I'll still go meet him. All of us waited that we are not receiving the same money. We don't receive the same money. He paid me extra to be there, to give directive on how it's been done. I swear to God, we don't receive the same money. We don't receive the same money. The money I receive in a day, now basically a worker they receive for 2 months. The money paid me in a day, now person where they work for basically they receive for 2 months. He had told everyone looking at me. You saw me the other day last week here. I'm telling you now, because of what I have here. That's not boast. I was supposed to be showing you hotel and some buildings. And if you have moto, you are renting moto, you will GP. No, we don't do that. We teach you from the crash. For you to know that you may be seeing me as this guy just imagine. No, enjoy Rewebona. Nobody enjoy for this giant. Every one of us lack vitamin by one way or the other. Earthwise, they have a problem. Earthwise, ask all of them. Some of them they don't sleep well. You see them with you see them in party fees rose. They have one need or the other. So let's be very, very careful over things we support. There are things you are supposed to be opposing. Don't support it. Particularly what have to do with the administrative section of our country, traditionally, Pentecostally and otherwise. There are areas we are not supposed to support these people. None of you have been able to come out and tell me. Yeah, no what why answer me? You to answer me. Instead of you coming out to start throwing your mouth. Don't want to kill yourself very early. just answer me okay na ge no je awe oga suhungu edene wero wa oga suhungu e ma no gi suhungu na gi wo e ma if agba ile agbe na gi wo what is happening to them. That's always see man, don't put anything in media. I know the girl if I say me I read the girl na time, let's be very frank and sincere. If I say me I read the girl na time, 100% time I get time for now. Make a day plan and by each word you said. You are going to go and hang yourself. If I say me I read get time for now, they apply me I get a reply wa. Ya ata okade. You go and hang yourself. Hey, oga sungu edene wero wa. Hey, oga su na if agboana na wo na rikina e ma no giwu lo sisi gibo bi yankin. Na gbe ma wu no gbo wan riwu. Wa dro wa si won be we so sang another song. Wa pe track 2. For those young assignment, look at Izobo today. Izobo is in Ezra. Rolabeko is in Ezra. These are the two people no spare a nonsense. You cannot stand before the holies of holies. The God of Idu Igodomigodo. I invoke you again and again. The heirs of all our queens mothers who stood to make sure we have a gene in Edo State. Okian Bokuwa ni Mwedoniria. Koma no gi mudiane uwe ne doge are a state of Eldorado because of your personal benefit. Ebe okian lawe gbe. Iwa bo okian fie kun le lo. Ya you say settlement. Oga sungu edene wero wa no giwu na giwo. What about Nifagwari like Benagiwu? What's happening to them? That is to say you need to go to your closet and weep. I'm me myself, I'm already weeping for you already. Ehuwa wa moment. Ehuwa wa moment. Oga sungu bedene wero wa no giwu lo na giwu. What about this one that are dying? What happens to them? So you are full of deceit and lies. If not because of God, I can cast everywhere. But I will bring out a topic that will turn the whole Edo State or Moye state of dilemma. I can do it, but not provoking anywhere. Before my mic could appear before the law court, we still have more rivers to cross. We got many rivers to cross. Because keep on using settlement. Keep on using settlement. Use settlement too. A dog by criminal and a criminal be criminal. Somebody that have gone in his pocket. Oh, go and and you have a human person, no they are jagia. Or my way now we are the bag, but that what happened. Oh man, you wear one man is worse than you. She. Then what you tell we also a man of this song will you. Whatever what you're born, testimony upon testimony. But we're not here born on you that spearheaded it. Tariana, Ogbe Sakparagotin. He returned and one it's born in it. These people who are there, they may be ignorant. I pray one day you do it to people. No anybody. Hey man, you expect after drinking that water your wife will stay with you. It's impossible. When I want men whether Yagu is he just only there or man make a lag, you know. The very day no can't take a no lag also. Just watch out everybody who have done that sickness. Watch how their life is broken. They contaminate your life. They kill you from the inside. Because you never Yahweh one many bar or man deserve him nanane or man what him nanane or Yabu. I am woman. Or man or Yabu. Maybe witch. You always spoil crops in the farm. You always keep people's children. But were you a witch? Just come and say. I had that one the other side were complaining. I went in a lado. That's your own personal concern. Who is that bastard that banned you not to enter? What have you done? Under what jurisdiction? Under what session? Everything you have done, you have put a new rebel code. New rebel code. That was a court that was set aside after the Second World War, 1945. I had traveled idiot now. Here you see one. Later I saw that there was confession everywhere. I saw we swear oath. Wa we no egbiningbinana. Na brafa war. God bless you all. We just do. Wa fi lugbe na battle sender. Mama no maro pa ebe wu now. Do wa we re pelu one. So stop this your shenanigans. Mind your damn. Face up your life. In we benefit we winning and you don't want benefit. Then we are trying to fight for people at home. Then you are pressing away my dear. Who you won't hear you? Who you won't work here? No freedom of speech. First Amendment of America. First Amendment, your right, your birthright, at least. First Amendment, they take it away from you. You can't. It will come to a time you can't breathe. Thank God for the people. If you know you have said it ignorantly, pray for God of Iduland to forgive you. The God of Iduland activated again. The one we activated now. Watch again. You know, one time they brought out this very nonsense. They were already talking about a cow. Then until one day, just the same way the hand of God was upon Ezekiel in Ezekiel 37. In Ezekiel 36, sorry. He said the hand of God was upon me, took me to a valley that was full of dry bones. Then I began to ask God, what's the cow? Then he said the founding father. Then he told me, he said, Newton, your father is one of the founding fathers. Your great-great-grandfather is one of the founding fathers. Because why? That man did well and he ruled well. So anyone that die, no good spirit in then would that person go and meet his ancestor. He said today you have your fathers, your great-great-grandmother with the ancestor. He said cry. He said activate the very nickel. Then I activated the nickel. Ever since I activated it, my brother, it has been calamity upon calamity. That Papa was all the time. Rikuse. Some of them giving them public disgrace because you cannot use one fake name to start underestimating people. No, we can't take it. Enika, go to my page. I wrote it. Enika was activated. Enika was activated. Enika does not work for you because you mentioned the name. You work with people that have clean hands, who have no blood in their hands. Egg anybody deceive you? Egg anybody deceive you? I have a nika also. Our nika is Ugbogo. Ugbogo is our nika. He's my father is right now with the ancestors in a dust. So he cannot watch you and me because why? He died with the ancestors. These are the people who Salobo against Dole Doji. Any empowerment now. That's why today there is sanity. They are doing sanity. They try to make one or two sacrifices. That's why today, the reason why a lot of people go into human sacrifice is a bad human sacrifice. The thing that was not supposed to be done in Yahweh. That's why human sacrifice coming. What a cow even need for a cow does not need human blood. They need the blood of a ram. Two turtle dove. Or a woman who are so and so Joshua. Bekita yule. That's what a cow need. Anything that requires human hair, wrong. They are trying to turn the opposite. It's oppressive action here. That's why they demand for human sacrifice. Have you demanded? Why will they sacrifice you for anything? Are you blood of the lamb? Are you Jesus? Okay, why not even give it freely? The way Denokboko did it. They buckle a lot of people. One of the water drinker, he said that if not because he was careful, and this person today is Zuo. Or why is Zuo? Confirm me, he said it. Now, why would such a thing be happening in our state? Are we no longer living in a democratic society? At times, I can't just get it. I know you have no courage to say this, but I will tell you this today. All this is money to stop. A society that must develop must desist away from this very nonsense. You think they are your leaders? They want you to grow up. They are coming to come and collect it. They have no single love for you. There was a message I preached the other day that John chapter 10 verse 10 have been activated in the whole world. One very guy, he came and write something. What he wrote, guys, I look at it. People never still wake up. Even though now your pa, now they commit evil. Your pa have his own life to live. Imagine the kind of life my father lived was not a good life. It was the best of his ability, for example. Where for Tom and I go to be? Do you think your father is going to be around you all the ways? Do you think all these cultists you plant along with yourself is going to remain? They are not going to remain. They can only remain this government of Joe Biden. But when the trumpet sound, which is Donald J. Trump comes, all this gun is going to be collected from you. All this kingdom you are seeing, all this kingdom of darkness is going to be brought down. Mark today's day again. Mark today is something that must happen. So you do your worst now. Or instead of feeling fear now, the land grabbing you are doing now, do it now. Because tomorrow may be too late. That was why all of them supported Joe Biden. They know Joe Biden will never talk about the shenanigans. But let the trumpet blow. Let it blow. Let it blow. They'll begin to see what's happening. Solomon Sunday, what you are writing on that is bad. Let's do verification. To what I've gathered so far, it is not Obaseki that sold it. To what I've gathered so far, it is not Obaseki that sold the land. I know the government have the right to privatize any land, lease out any land to any company that want to bring development to the society or to the community. But what we have to first of all confirm is this: of what benefit is that company is to the people? Of what benefit is that company is to the people? And what's the only way to benefit from it? And what is going to be the disadvantage of all these things? Now maybe you are just coming. The Uronigbe Water rubber estate, which Obaseki leased us some years ago, that during last year a lot of EPN, they made protests about it, trying to discredit the government, that what we are doing we are evil. But today, according to information I've gathered allegedly, when they start tapping the rubber, they are going to be employing up to about 5,000 workers. Automatically, that one will also take a lot of youth from Orion, from the streets. So those are the things. And these people that have cried out about this forest reserve, what have they been using it for? Have they ever been for the benefit of the community? Don't you know that some of the people that was in that protest, some of them may also be there where Gawaya protests? It may be one or two politicians because right now the money they used to get from it, they are not going to be getting it again. Let nobody use us. Let not begin to kind of support these people who are put Uronigbe in a state of Lodiba. Let not begin to support these same people who are put Uronigbe in a state of Resonantia Magnetica. Let not begin to support these same people who have not brought development to Uronigbe, who have not been able to fight for Uronigbe to be autonomous of his own by having his own personal local government. Go to Igwebe in Nation land. You see Igwebe local government, Igwebe, who fight for it, it is their politicians. And what's our politicians be doing? They go there and represent themselves, no one they represent. So I will not fight for such a politician. But what I'm trying to let us know is this: if the government have done such a thing is bad, but to the information I've gathered so far, this thing was sold by these same people of Wakabekioto. Okay, that information I've gathered so far. I'm not going to be mentioning it, but let everyone, let all hands be on desk. Let's go and do verification. Who sold that to Uronigbe land? And all Uronigbe should stand up, do your verification, and say no to this nonsense. A time will come, Uronigbe will be a state of his own. My dear, Monaco. Do you know how many is Monaco? 39,000. Monaco here is France, 39,000. Luxembourg is 600,000. Luxembourg here, near Belgium, is 600,000. So Uronigbe can be a state of his own. We can be autonomous of our own. A time will come for all those things. So let's not give room to all these shenanigans. Let's not give room to allow them to begin to use us. When something affects them, they go out for protest. But if it is affecting the community, they don't talk about it. It is only John Buimade who have been fighting this issue of Fulani. John Buimade have been the one. We have not seen these people protest one day. Even when Fulani was almost taking the Oronigbe, he was only the one giving us messages here abroad. We know what that guy has been doing. I know there is no perfection in humanity. A lot of us, we may not like some of his attitude, but he has tried. But when there are better things, you don't see these people. But when it comes to the government is collecting food from their mouth, which they have been eating privately, they'll come use and do what they are saying, make concern everybody. E.g. Osemi Ero did not support us when the same brothers now where they put for prison, where they wanted to deport them in 2017. He did not see anything good about the protest we did though. They did not see anything good in it. But you now see something that the case of Ibo are investigated. If they tell no more to come out for court, is when they come out. Hey, asthma. Oh, Ibo see you see asthma, he must arrest you. Oh, Ibo see you see asthma, he go arrest you. This will not be Bini. Where are you if you be House of Assembly chairman? If you be vice president for Nigeria. So here is a different place entirely. So if you are aiding and abetting criminal, they will lock you up. Since I've been doing all this, if I belong to one court now, they don't they say, man, oh, but this guy they say Abakaya, for this thing for phone, I will be locked there. The reason why me out by Bojo come my good because you have no criminal against me. Go and investigate me. I've paid tax in this very country, and I've also fight a lot of shenanigans in this very country. So Osemi Ero right now, he went to Abuja to go and do protest. Maybe with your taxpayers' money. Because you don't say I mean. Let us tell us how many of our ministers are they arrested. So that's how they do it too. Because they have the voice, they have a bigger platform they can use to project out every evil. Look at this suggestion of a thing. Most of you know today is evil. How many Efulefu talk about it? They won't talk about it because if they talk about it and criticize the government will not give them money. But me, I don't care. I prefer to be hungry with you. Even John, he talked about it. He said, my brethren is suffering. So I have also talked about it. You are my brethren. We are in the same shoe together. All things, you are okay. I not go rest. Your condition now make me they come out online. Not personally because of me. Not basically because of me, but because of you. I don't like the way they treat you for that, Benny. So I am your masterpiece. So what you need to do is to pray for me. If what you are supposed to pray for me for good, you are wishing me evil. Evil will return back to you because God knows that the fight I'm fighting is not for my personal self. I'm not fighting for you to vote for my brother as a local government chairman. I'm not campaigning for any position in Oronigbe. I'm not campaigning to come for you to give me land. I'm campaigning. This was the same how diaspora were built. People campaign about the shenanigans they have in their society. Today people still speak Ngere. If you ask any Spanish man right now, come over to Gobiano, he go say Mango. If you ask him how is it by your government, he go say bad. Upon they have everything because there is still something lacking. No talk of our own, no light, no road. The only what we have, some group of people take it upon themselves. They take it upon themselves. So whatever protest we are using, let not politicize it. Let not say because we hate Obaseki, no. Do your verification. Obaseki ogele hinwa. We must know what we are not hearing. Dating Akiotonin, Uronigbe youth resist them from developing that very place. That just all. Let not spell anybody's name. Anyone Amuriama, I don't like it. Everything I tell you now condemn me. Imana will condemn and know that it doesn't do it. I know everybody have his own opinion towards some certain issues. But when it comes to criticizing somebody, you want to correct some certain error, you don't say it with lies. A matter. So let's keep on doing what we know how to do best. All these fake names that say people call people, hate your man, so that you don't get the punishment. We are getting at all of them, they are going down gradually. All of them, they are going down. Many still go to go. So if you have ever one day called person, ignorant leader name, you know what I'm talking about. So Saloba, forgive him. They are demons. They are demons. So the second the command is gone, one is still going to come out. Osalobo has a virgin. This nonsense must have to stop. Your life worth more than their own. So if now go weba, or my senior you, I will a small boy Maria Webo. When I can feel right now, I vinya. If I now can vegan, you know, that was supposed to be, what you eat, you know. And if I now can, when food remain for an hour webo have your own way. But today you are multi-billionaire. You sell people's land, you sell everywhere. But when we started doing some of all the people right now that is even calling him criminal right now, we are the one that was grumbling. How will somebody speak? You just give that person a name when you don't tell matter. Now a matter not turning, but yeah, is the person like go and do your findings? Before they let them be that you do and swear. I'll keep on saying it. But I tell boy no man on agbe. Emugele mu bari mana or agele on pa enva. Or emu mu ba mena. You don't just come and begin to lake us. It does not work like that. So God bless you, or God bless you all. For every one of you, your father served in Edo land. By one way or the other. Erawato. Onawe Wese. People like Stalima, is watching right now like Eri Magasabo. Those one have also joined with the ancestors. Because these are men, fathers with potential. They serve their community. So any join ancestors. My own biological father joined the ancestors. Igbinigun joined the ancestors. Uduhueme joined the ancestors. Ugbogo joined the ancestors. So area multiply. Everywhere now, have it in mind that it's already with the ancestors. So they join together, time they hold meeting. That the youth of 24 elders in heaven. So don't let anybody begin to deceive you like that idiot here in Spain. Hey, Enika will kill you there. Venika will boss you where? Where I confirm if not boss you where there Enika will be. Because you don't use the Enika in vain. The same way the Bible said, do not mention the name of the Lord. That God is very always. I mention Enika when I have the fear you. I adore you. Your leader will not wait. Don't wait Enika. Who will send you there? The position you force yourself in. If the gods of our land want to really choose, you know he's going to choose. Who will force a position? You force yourself into the people. I'm where you are. Who make you a own way? By force why I install a own way. So do have a nice day, everyone, and God bless you all. Till I come and maybe by the grace of God later, I think I have a meeting. Oh, timing here, I would have said. Let me say, because we have a very, very wonderful topic that we're supposed to be treating today. We are supposed to be treating that topic today. But let me see if it can work, we'll do it tomorrow. So God bless you and do have a nice day. Ciao.
I beg, help us share this video and let us know what you think for comment section. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for the hear all the things where they happen for Edo State. Make I leave you with this video, make you help us share them. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.